You are now about to witness the strength of street knowledge.
Yeah, I got the strength of a lion, like it's the fist of 10 men, iron might. So how can I succumb to your rules when the ship I was brought on wasn't even a cruise? Alienated and I don't even own a spaceship, a foreign refugee alien on a slave ship. To my assumption I was formerly tricked and coming to a country where I'm forced to show shit. Chained to my brother, I'm watching others get whipped and sold to another, taking the other brother's shit. You might call it a sale, I'ma call it a selling. Our souls are sold for the purpose of picking melons. Vocab is different, so we learn not to spell. My life on a totem pole is lower on the scale. I know it ain't right that you punish me for standing, so when I fight back, I'ma call it dancing. This is a style unknown, foreign to a foreigner who can't follow its flow. My methods of moving is a maneuver unseen, and to the naked eye, it's a language you can't read. I'm a warrior, watch me fight as I bleed and plant my fight in a warrior like a seed, narrating our lives like I was a storyteller. The song I dance is capoeira, so call me a warrior.
Stars when I fight. If space was my stage, I would light up the sky so bright. Song that I dance is the song of my life.
Ele nasceu na favela, periferia da cidade. Morando nela, passou muito dificuldade. Se deu conta, cedo na vida o que era contra. Desigualdade que o povo dele se encontra. Outra é drogas, porque ele vê o que fuma crack, você vai morrer. Mas dentro desse lugar tem alguma coisa pura, alguma coisa própria, a coisa é cultura. Cultura é a força, cultura é a voz, cultura é a cura dessa dor que vive em nós. Cultura dura.